In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom audiences in Google Analytics. As businesses evolve and digital landscapes become increasingly complex, customizing your audience in Google Analytics can give your business that much needed edge by enabling targeted marketing and more precise data analysis. Let's start by heading over to Google Analytics. Once you're logged in and at the home page, you'll want to look for the admin button. This is usually located at the bottom left of your screen, and it's your gateway to a lot of the deeper settings and functionality that Google Analytics offers. Next, you'll want to navigate to the data display section. Now, you might be wondering why we're looking at data display when our goal is to create an audience. Well, data display in this context is where you'll begin the setup of how and where your audience will interact with your content and business online. Here's where we dive a little deeper. After clicking on data display for the second time, focus your attention on the audiences section. Just a click, and you're taken to a page dedicated to the creation and management of audiences. This is where we start actively shaping the who and what of your target demographic. Inside the audiences page, the next step is to click on New Audience. This is where the magic starts happening. Creating a new audience is almost like sculpting clay. You're molding a specific group of people out of the vast expanse of internet traffic by setting unique conditions. When you're setting up your new audience, click on Create a Custom Audience. It's important to note that custom audiences allow you to tailor who you're analyzing based on specific conditions, making your data insights much more actionable. Now click on Add New Condition. This option allows you to filter and refine who exactly belongs to your audience. Click on Attribution to start setting parameters specific to your goals. Attribution models can help determine how credit for conversions is assigned across different touchpoints. Following this, you'll click on CM360 Account ID. Having this specific ID helps link your custom audience to Google's Campaign Manager, allowing for more sophisticated analytics and data integration. After configuring your attribution settings, apply them by clicking on Add Filter. Here you can filter the attributes you've just set, refining your data down to crucial touch points. Setting the condition to True at any point in time ensures your audience parameters apply comprehensively rather than to limited data sets. You'll want to type this condition in the relevant field. With all of that configured, click on Save. Your audience is now set up and ready to be analyzed in the context of your business goals. And if need be, you can always click Create New at this point to add another audience, keeping your options open for diversified insights. And there you have it. A simple but thorough guide on creating custom audiences in Google Analytics. Perfecting this skill allows you to make data-driven decisions aligned tightly with your business strategies.